So we've got June 2017, Unit 1, Question 2, and Parkinson's disease. And just from the diagram, you automatically will look, oh, that's a synapse. And I know about nerve transmission, and I know about synapses. So you'll know about the arrival of the action potential, the influx of calcium, then you've got vesicles containing neurotransmitter. These will fuse with the presynaptic membrane, releasing the neurotransmitter by exocytosis. The neurotransmitter will diffuse across the gap or the cleft, and the neurotransmitter will bind to receptors on the postsynaptic membrane. This will allow sodium channels to open, and then you'll get depolarization, and if the threshold has been reached, you will get an action potential in the postsynaptic neuron. So that's the full story. What have we got here that's different? Well, we've got less of our neurotransmitter. So presumably, less neurotransmitter, you'll get less depolarization on the other side, and so this postsynaptic neuron won't get stimulated as much. And that's Parkinson's disease. Part A, complete the missing label. So you might be tempted to say neurotransmitter here, but it actually tells us up here, it says releasing neurotransmitter. So you're not going to get a mark for neurotransmitter. We need to name the neurotransmitter, and that on this occasion with Parkinson's, if you've done revision, that is dopamine. So dopamine. And some people are given L-dopa to control their symptoms. So you really have had to do your revision to get this right. And what L-dopa does, it's a precursor, which means a molecule that will turn into dopamine. And then if we add more of that, then we'll get more of this dopamine produced, and therefore get kind of more normal function. So we just need to put that into 3 marks. So L-dopa is a precursor of dopamine. So it's a chemical that will turn into dopamine. So this will increase the amount of dopamine kind of stored or released. I'm going to say released. Released by the presynaptic neuron. Mark scheme misses the E off, it spells it in the kind of American way. I'm going to stick with English. And finally, why will this how will this help the person with Parkinson's? So normal levels of dopamine will stimulate the postsynaptic neuron. So more dopamine in here, so this postsynaptic neuron will be stimulated in a normal way. So 4 marks in total.